Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to manage your TD Bank checking account. Managing your checking account effectively is crucial for keeping track of your finances and avoiding unnecessary fees. First, you need to understand the key components of your TD Bank checking account. This includes your account balance, transaction history, and account settings. You can access this information online or through the TD Bank mobile app. To get started, enroll in online banking by visiting the TD Bank website and following the prompts to create a username and password. Once enrolled, you can view your account balance and transaction history, pay bills, and transfer funds between accounts. Next, set up account alerts to notify you of low balances, large transactions, and other important account activity. This will help you stay on top of your finances and avoid overdrafts. You can set up alerts online or through the mobile app. Now, let's talk about depositing and withdrawing funds. You can deposit funds into your account using direct deposit, ATMs, or by visiting a TD Bank branch. To withdraw funds, you can use an ATM, write a check, or use your debit card. It's also important to keep track of your account fees and avoid unnecessary charges. TD Bank offers a range of checking accounts with different fee structures, so it's essential to understand the fees associated with your account. You can avoid monthly maintenance fees by meeting certain requirements, such as maintaining a minimum balance or setting up direct deposit. In addition to managing your account, you should also prioritize account security. Use strong passwords and keep your account information confidential. Be cautious of phishing scams and never provide your account information to unknown parties. Finally, take advantage of TD Bank's customer support resources. You can contact customer service by phone, email, or by visiting a branch. The TD Bank website also offers a range of educational resources and FAQs to help you manage your account effectively. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your TD Bank checking account and take control of your finances. Remember to stay informed, monitor your account activity, and seek help when needed to get the most out of your TD Bank checking account.